You change your life the moment you set your goals and start to seek out your life purpose. The purpose of life is a life of purpose. Those who are truly enlightened know what they want out of life emotionally, materially, physically, and spiritually. Clearly define priorities and goals for every aspect of your life will serve a role similar to that played by a lighthouse, offering you guidance and refuge when the seas become rough. Anyone can revolutionize their life once they revolutionize the direction in which they are moving. But if you don't even know where you are going, how will you ever know when you get there? Life is really funny. One will think that the less one works, the more one will have the chance to experience happiness. However, the real source of happiness can be stated in a word: achievement. Lasting happiness comes from steadily working to accomplish your goals and advancing confidently in the direction of your life purpose. This will kindle the inner fire that lurks within you. Personally, my objectives are to attain peace of mind, self-mastery, and enlightenment. If I fail to accomplish these goals by the end of my life, I am certain that I will die feeling unfulfilled and dissatisfied. My point is simply that when you clearly know what aims you wish to achieve over the course of your life, be they material, emotional, physical, or spiritual, and you spend your days accomplishing them, you will ultimately find eternal joy. Your life will be delightful and you will come to know a splendid reality, but you must know your life's aim and then manifest this vision into reality by consistent action. Yes, it may seem as though you are forced to take a few risks to discover what you are best at and in the essence of your life purpose. Many people quit jobs that have suffered their progress. The moment they discover the true purpose of their existence, there is always the apparent risk that comes with self-examination and soul-searching. But no, because there is never a risk in discovering yourself and the mission of your life. Self-knowledge is the DNA of self-satisfaction. All highly developed, fully actualized people understand the importance of exploring their talents, uncovering their personal purpose, and then applying their human gift in the direction of their calling. Some people successfully serve humanity as physicians or as artists. Some people discover that they are powerful communicators and become wonderful teachers. The key is to have the discipline and vision to see your heroic mission and to ensure that it serves other people while you realize it. You will never be able to hit a target that you cannot see. People spend their whole life dreaming of becoming happier, living with more vitality, and having an abundance of passion, yet they do not see the importance of taking even 10 minutes a month to write about their goals and to think deeply about the meaning of their lives. Goal setting will make your life magnificent. Your world will become richer, more delightful, and more magnificent. Anyone who wishes to improve the quality of their inner as well as their outer world will do well to take out a paper and start writing about their life aims. At the very moment that this is done, natural forces will come into play which start to transform these dreams into reality. As I talked to you in my previous video, which is think of 60,000 thoughts on an average day by writing out your desired and goals on a piece of paper, you send a red flag to your subconscious mind that this thought is far more important than the remaining 15,999 other ones. Your mind will then start to seek out all opportunity to realize your destiny like a guided missile. It is really a very scientific process. Most of us are simply not aware of it. You change your life the moment you set your goals and start to seek out your life purpose. Thank you for watching. As one step, start the journey of 1,000 miles. Comment your life purpose and let me know, and also realize it yourself, and also don't forget to subscribe.